Hello trainers, welcome to the IRS Online Trainers Bootcamp. In the current situation, many trainers and training providers are working towards redeveloping the face-to-face workshops into interactive digital and live online learning solutions. We at IRS Training has started this Online Trainers Bootcamp to equip trainers and facilitators with a new way of training and learning. The bootcamp consists of a variety of topics. Among others, it includes e-learning, digital workshop, and live online coaching. The e-learning component of any program will remain as an essential pre-work. The learner has the opportunity to learn and be prepared before the live online collaboration. You will learn how to deliver a series of mini podcasts and live online collaboration in a digital workshop. The live online coaching, you can use it as a strategy to enhance learners' engagement and to ensure learner puts learning into practice. These are all incredible valuable components for new norms of training and learning. Your participation will support you in your roles, particularly at this time when a new way of teaching is more important than ever. So let's join us in this Trainers Bootcamp. See you.